Okay, so it's Luxury Fred, and our London adventure continues. And tonight, we're at a new spot. This is the London Addition. This is a fairly new property, and we are right off Oxford Street in Mayfair. And this is one of their lovely loft rooms. So let's do a little tour. Again, we're at the London Addition. The hotel was designed by Ian Schrager. So it's kind of a mix of beautiful classic house in a classic building but with very modern design and style, as you have at all of Schrager's properties. So we have lots of wood tones in the room, different grains and things like that. We have a nice flat screen. They just brought up one of their signature drinks that they do, different ones every day. And this one is a gin, jasmine tea, elderflower cordial with lemon and sugar also, right there. And continuing on, we have a little seating area here. Again, this is one of their loft rooms, which gives you some additional space. Little work desk here. All the artwork is by the same artist, who I will put in the comment section. And this is a photograph of the artist's daughter wearing some toilet paper on her head. And each of the rooms feature photography by the same artist. We have some windows. Again, we are just off Oxford Street here in the heart of London, right close to shopping and things like that, right in the center of the action. Which is right down there, and right near Oxford Circus also. And what this room has that I really like is a nice, big, beautiful bathroom. Very stylish in here. Big, long sink. Again, we're at the London Addition Hotel. And over here we have a nice shower. The rain shower up in the ceiling. And I would assume this is the water closet room here. And then we have a little hallway section here. We have the closet here. And a mini bar right here. Very stylish, very clean, very nicely designed room. I like that everything is very nice, no damage or anything on anything. Okay, so again, we are here in London at the London Addition. And looking forward to going out tonight. And we're going to eat at the restaurant downstairs, which is called Berner's Tavern, which is a very popular London restaurant. And we'll do one more kind of look at the room here. Again, this is the loft room here at the London Addition. Our luxury London adventure continues here at the London Addition. This is a very cool boutique hotel designed by Ian Schrager. And they have a couple other Addition locations around the world. We are about to dig into this wonderful room service, aka in-room dining British breakfast. And I wanted to give you a little tour of the breakfast that we're about to enjoy. So first we have some berries here, fresh berries. Then we have a full English with scrambled eggs, some garlic and herb sausage, some middle white back bacon, tomato, a portobello mushroom, and of course, Stormaway black pudding right there. And then over here, I went with a kind of a big breakfast sandwich thing, which is a crispy middle white back bacon sandwich on sourdough with a fried egg. Then we've got a coconut banana smoothie, some orange juice, some hot chocolate, some toast, a selection of jams and jellies, and some special, love the butter over here in luxury hotels in England. This is Nether End Farm fresh butter. So again, it's Luxury Fred, and we're here at the London edition here in London. Please check out luxuryfred.com and you can read all about my London adventure.